Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install CodeBlocks in your Windows 10 PC. So first of all you need to go to any browser that you have. So I'm going to Firefox here. Then you need to search for CodeBlocks download in the Google here. So if you search for CodeBlock downloads, you will first have this links here. You will first have this link here, which is called codeblocks.org here, which is the official website for CodeBlocks. So you need to go to the download CodeBlocks here. Then this will open this page here, and here you can see download the binary release here. So you need to download the binary release. Click on that. After opening the binary release here, you need to scroll down, and here we will find the Microsoft Windows download option here. Also you can also find the Linux and others operating system download here. So here you need to download the MinGW for to download and work this to run the C++ and C program in your laptop or computer here, because this is the with the compiler here. So don't download any other option here. You need to download the MinGW setup.exe CodeBlocks 20.03 here. So you need to click on FOSSUP or sourceforge.net here, both working here. So I'm gonna click on this link here, and this will open the CodeBlocks FOSSUP for you. And as you can see, there's the option for downloading here. So just I'm gonna click save file here, and it will start to download here. As you can see, it's downloading. It's only 145 MB, but I have already downloaded this file here, so I'm not going to download again. So I'm just going to cancel the download here, and I'm going to go to the folder which is where is my download the file here. So as you can see, I have already downloaded. So I'm just going to open the application here for installation. Just double click on it, and it will start the installation process here. As you can see, welcome to the CodeBlock setups here. Just click next here and click I agree. Then leave as it is for the default settings here. So just click next here. Also you can see space required 531 MB here. Just click next, and this is the download folder here, destination folder, which is in the C program here. So I'm just gonna leave as it is. So just click install, and it will start to install in your PC here. So it will take some time here, as you can see. So wait while CodeBlocks is being installed. So I'm going to skip the video here, and we're going to come back when the installation is finished here. So installation process is almost finished here. So that's it, the installation process is finished. So do you want to run CodeBlocks now? I'm gonna just click no here, because we're gonna check if the compiler is correctly installed or not. So just click no here, click next, and click finish here. And as you can see, the CodeBlocks shortcut, desktop shortcut is here. So we're gonna check if the compiler is correctly working here. So just go to the search bar here, search for cmd, which is command prompt here, run as administrator. After opening the command prompt here, just type gcc space dash dash version and tap enter here. And as you can see, gcc built by MinGW 8.1 is already installed here. So if this doesn't work for you, you need to go to the program files and choose the path here. So I'm going to show you, so I'm going to also show you how to do that. So just then you need to go to the then you need to go to your file explorer here, or this PC here. Then go to your C folder, then go to the program files, and here you'll find the code blocks here. Go to the code blocks here and MinGW here, and then go to the bin file here, and you need to copy this option here. If the GCC compiler is not working for you, you need to copy this path here. So just copy this path here, Then you need to go to the search bar again and search for environment here. As you can see, it is the system environment variables. Then you need to go to the environment variables here. Then here you will see option called path here, so you need to click on it, then click on edit here. Then here, as you can see, the C program files CodeBlocks MinGW.bin is already put here, so the path is already automatically connected here. So if you have the problem of the GCC compiler version, it's not connected and the compiler is not working, you need to just just click in new option here and paste the path here and just click OK, and the GCC compiler version will work for you. Just go to the command prompt and just type the gcc.version here. This will work for you. So I'm just not gonna put this here, just click cancel here, and I'm gonna open the code blocks here to see if this is working or not. As you can see, the code blocks is open here. Just click OK here and just maximize it, and then as you can see, the code blocks is okay here, and also the compiler GNCC compiler is automatically connected here. For me, I don't know because I have already installed again, so that's why the path is automatically connected. But if you're first time installing this, you need to choose the path just like I show you. You need to copy the path and just put it in the environment files. So that's it guys. You can just create a new project here or open an existing project here. Just go to the file here and choose an empty file, and you can run your program here. So that's it guys. This is how you download and install CodeBlock in your Windows 10 PC or laptop here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.